Statue of Liberty tour. So cool. Let's see all the pictures. Well, I'm about to see the Statue of Liberty. Get ready. We just need to wait a little bit. Alright, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Justkiddinglogan in the building. Y'all ready? We're literally on a boat. It's like a tour. And we're literally going inside of it. We're getting off the boat. Little jam. Keep it real loud. Bam. Bam. Statue of Liberty. Here we come. Statue of Liberty in New York. Justkiddinglogan goes to New York. Let's see.
We gotta do a parlay for the Mets and Braves. Who's pitching?
Yeah. Little jam. Anyways. The Statue of Liberty is all the way over there. Oh wait. You can see it. But the Statue of Liberty is right there. That's what I do. That's what I do.
MLB Network. Great Holmes versus Griffin Canning.
Poland Springwater. Statue of that. I wish it went right there. Yeah, I'm doing a walk over there.
We're gonna go.
Huh?
We're gonna go right now.
Yeah, then let's go.
The ferry's gonna let us on.
Anyways, we're about to see the Statue of Liberty. Let's do it. It's right there. You can't really see it that much We're on a boat, but
You want to go over there and take a picture?
yeah.
Go ahead.
Nowhere to go. Over there. Statue of Liberty. Wow, that is crazy. Wow, that's absolutely crazy. I'm doing this. Look at this. The Statue of Liberty.
Attention please, we are now approaching a dockside landing. If you are seated, please remain in your seats. Please exercise.
See this. Logan. Let's go. Let's go.
The vessel is now alongside the dock. All passengers should move to the exit gangway at the forward end of the main deck. If you are using this
Maximum security.
please be advised that you can walk forward on either side of the vessel to reach the exit. Please exercise caution while standing or moving around the decks.
We're about to get off. Let's get it.
Crazy part.
My security. Why? It's dirty. Little. And this is crazy. Cause I even have been on this before. This is my first time in New York. First time. Cards. Yeah, we're about to get this. We're about to get this. Statue of Liberty. And here we go. The Statue of Liberty. Boom. Statue of Liberty. Statue of real liberty. See. Wait, Dad, can I go on the table? Let the table.
You're still recording, you must not.
Saw that? Statue of Liberty. Now what? Statue of Liberty. Type. Statue of freaking Liberty. Oh, there's so many birds. Little James with us too. You can eat here and stuff. We're about to go in it. Eat food. Yeah. Maybe get like coffee. Maybe. Beer. Statue of Liberty. Hey.
Birds out here going crazy. Who'd they get last night? They kept trading all their picks. They traded all their picks on the
We're walking right now.
And then Scott Van Pelt was talking about it. He was like, why are they getting the wrong hat?
We got this.
Right. He said that? Yeah. He's like, if you're waiting your entire life for this moment, you have to make the wrong hat.
Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. We're about to get there. See.
Confusing for everybody, man. Who, Malo? Crazy.
We got this. Statue of Liberty.
Oh, come on, let's go. We're holding everybody up. Let's go.
Huh? Police.
Let's go. Close the gap.
Police. No.
Police Academy.
Close the gap.
Yeah, that's dope.
Y'all need to be in. Discipline. 2 by 2. Let's go. That's what you need to be in. Police Academy.
Bro.
Police Academy.
Yeah, that's what I have to be. Dope. Dope. That's for real though. As a YouTuber, got this. Got this. All right, ready? Got this. I'm the police too.
My 10-year-old, I need him to get one of these.
We have a lot of us about an hour west of the city. So
Okay.
maybe
Yeah, after your
Wow.
arrows or whatever.
That's
Like, resource officer.
closer.
Like that.
All right, you too. Or, yeah. I guess you're from there. I'm happy what I need. Hold on, Logan, your brother. All right, see ya.
Like my cover or something when I post a video.
Yeah.
Got this. We got this. As a YouTuber, we got this.
Right up again.
Hey, some go on the top, some
Oh my God, look
She's
at
so
this.
dope.
That police academy, okay?
Dad, did you used to be, did you used to be
No, I wasn't in the police academy.
Hey, look at that big bird. Jesus Christ. Statue of, we got this, we got this.
Up there.
And we're about to go inside of it. Bro, look at that big old bird. Statue of Liberty.
Stand on top.
Bro, it's so windy. So windy, I might have to walk. Purpose on food type, mix type, on purpose, mix type, and water. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Yeah, we're trying to get some of that popcorn. New York popcorn. Jesus Christ.
Oh, you still want a Sprite?
Yeah. And I get myself a Sprite. Got this. I had to get myself a Sprite.
Grab a water and a Sprite, Nicholas.
Got myself some Sprite.
Hey, Floyd, you do a good job.
Dang. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Got this Statue of Liberty. Got this.
You want to go in? I bet.
Yeah. Just come outside for the night. For the Statue of Liberty. For my time. We made our name for you. Let's get with Bean, yeah.
The list of the prohibited items is on the sign just over here. So no food, no backpacks, no metal water bottles, and then there's more.
Sigma. Let the Christmas night when you cross. I didn't find out a time for them to Yeah. Alright, back some popcorn. Yeah. I'm introducing to you right now. Oh my God. Alright. Yeah, what are we waiting for?
I'm not prepared to wait. You can't take it under.
See y'all later. Guess we're about to go in.
Are you going up to the crown? No bags of any kind.
If you have the email confirmation, we can check that as well.
Hi, hold on.
Awesome. Congratulations. Let's look up whoever's next. Tickets, please. I got tickets.
Alrighty.
They want to see our whole group.
Otherwise, in your Yep. Okay. All right.
We're about to go in it.
Like right over there, I got some.
Over there? All
Yeah,
right.
just a little bit over there. Like everything popped up. I'm like, I'm gonna take. I live in the mountains.
Thank you.
What's up?
You know, those though. Looked up the Statue of Liberty.
Money gang! Whoa, whoa! Money gate! What's up?
Asher.
Let's see. We're gonna go in. That's it.
We're gonna try some New York pizza while we're here too.
You want pizza?
Get that.
I want a chopped cheese.
What is that?
It's like beef or like a hamburger bun or a patty. With a top
We're about to go in it.
bun and like cheese over top. Like that white cheese. It's like a New York delicacy.
John. And I'm at John. Now what? I'm at John. I'm at John. I'll see y'all later. We're about to enter it. Justkiddinglogan.
Yeah, if you listen, then you would know it was.
Oh, here it comes. You guys do the Ranger thing? Good for you.
Sick. Take your time. Extra life. Money gang. Money gang. What's up?